Hi guys, and I'm Ron. Welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin spice bread, since we are getting into the fall months, and if you follow me along, you should be fine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Again, if you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps other members know when I'm posting videos. Well, our bread is done, pumpkin bread, and we left it in the refrigerator overnight to cool, popped it out of the pan, and now we're cutting it up into slices. Cutting up pretty good, and then we add a little bit of cream cheese on a couple of them to have a little bite test this morning, and it came out absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps other people know when I'm posting videos. And if you like more videos like this and you're okay with how I'm filming it now, let me know when to show more, because it does help me out to know whether or not I'm doing a good job or not. But I absolutely enjoy filming and making recipes and putting up my weekly walking adventures and whatever I do for the week, and then more inspirational videos are coming, so just be patient and have a great day.